Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is the vintage Coach mini belt bag, style number 9826 in the color black, and this bag was made in the US sometime in the early 90s. So as you can see, it's a small mini size bag, and it does come with a detachable crossbody strap here, as you can see, and it also has these little belt loops along the back, so you could slide a belt in here and wear it as a belt bag, or obviously you could also wear it as a crossbody. So it's nice. It's got those two ways that you could wear the bag, and it also comes with the matching two-sided hang tag, as you can see. So let's take a little closer look at the bag again. So here's the front. It does come with a spring lock closure, so how you would open it is you would just pull this little lever here and then it opens like so, and then to close it you just snap it over this little piece right here. So you would just pull it and then insert that little piece inside, and then it would be closed. As you can see, it's pretty easy to open and close. And then here's what the sides of the bag look like, and then here's the back again with those two little belt loops. And then I'll open it and show you the pockets. So it does have this small little front flap pocket. It does have this small little slip pocket here under the front flap. And then it's got another small little slip pocket here along the back. And it does come with the original registration card, which is pretty nice. So this looks original to the bag. And then it does have the Coach Creed stamped along that back pocket. Here's a photo of it as well, so you can see it a little bit more clearly than I can pick it up on video, since it is that pocket is pretty small. So that is the mini belt bag, style 9826, and this bag is available now in our online shop. So I will leave the link below in case anyone was interested in checking it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you in our next video.